Well, I don't even know if I can fix this, but I'm gonna try. It's already actually split right there, and it's split right there. Do I think I'm destroying the finish? What do you think? Yup. Do I care? No. This next part on this trombone is the make it or break it part. If I can actually straighten this bell, sort of, without actually breaking it off or splitting it. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to do is, since it's kind of splitting, it's kind of starting to split, is I'm going to put a smaller mandrel in there to open up the throat. Now this is actually a trumpet bell mandrel. Look, you can't even see, you can see a little crack in there. I'm going to try a couple of unconventional things here. I'm going to use a trumpet flare mandrel to open up that throat even more. That out. Look at that. She's like, I don't know what's going on in here. But it sure is loud. I'm going to use my dent center because I don't have a dent machine in this shop. I'm going to use the dent center. It's kind of like a mini dent machine. I'm not sure how it goes together. There's no instructions online either. Well, we could probably do this if I had about a $4,000 or $5,000 dent machine and all the attachments, but I do not have that, so we're going to do the best we can. All right, I would do more on this today, but I have to wash my own horn out because I have to play the Haydn trumpet concerto tonight, and I am exhausted. Listen to that compression. Great. Now it's time to get back to work on this trombone. Look at this dent roller. This is made for doing things like this. I'll show you. To just get the edge. Like if there's a real bad crease in the near the bell bead, you roll this around the edge like this. Oh, look at that. Wow. Look at that roller. Boy, this thing has really been through the ringer, hasn't it? like that split, but there's nothing you can do about that. A lot of you have asked about how to get in touch with me and get your horn repaired. We're going to have a Google form that you can fill out to get either a free repair or a heavily discounted repair based on need, because I do want to help people. Let's take a little bit of furniture polish and spray the bell with it, right? This trombone anyway. It starts to take a little better shape. Oh wow, this is working good. With this, because to tell you the truth, this was the most Latin instrument I've ever seen in my career. This is all I'm going to do with this instrument until I make a lamp out of it in the next video. Thanks for watching.